What's going on, you guys? So today I got another video for you guys. We are going to be taking care of this ugly motherfucker. Whenever I bought the vehicle, it had issues where I didn't even notice it when I bought it, to be honest, but it's got an issue where they've got a rope holding it up, and I'm guessing it's because people around Florida like to, I don't know, demolition derby shit. I don't fucking know. But anyways, we're gonna be popping it out and officially putting in the new mirrors. So I'm tired of it fucking shaking with the wind, and we did a lot to this truck so far to try to make it look better. Got a lot more coming. Got some differential issues going on with it, but I think we can get it solved. So without further ado, here we go, motherfuckers. I'm gonna start off by going ahead and popping all the plastic off right here. Once I get that done, I should have to take a little stuff off of here. It's like something that holds this on, and we've got to address this problem too. I'm hoping I can fix this today too. It's just not that wonderful. Once we get that done, we'll be able to set this to the side, and we can get to, it'll reveal 3 bolts right here, and we can get those out. We can get the new ones put in. I should have did the tow mirrors, but unfortunately I didn't. Probably should have, because I do plan on towing the Mustang to Texas for Mustang Week, but for now this will do. Alright, so basically what you guys saw that I did there is you're going to take a little flathead screwdriver, you're going to pop this little piece out. It's going to be located there. From there, you'll reveal an 8mm. So grab your 8mm socket like I did, go down, take that out. There's 6mm sockets down here on the bottom of the door. I'm about to take out now. Got these some bitches out. All right, upon further look, it looks like there's only 2 little tiny 6mm bolts at the very bottom. All right, cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take a flathead again and probably fuck up some more trim, but we're gonna go ahead and pull that out, and it's gonna reveal an 8mm. At that point, we're gonna take this off. Should be on a hooked mechanism. If there's anything that I know about cars, it's that it's a pain in the ass. But we're gonna try to set it on something. It's gonna be hard to do because it's a lifted truck, but we're gonna see what we can do. Good damn thing that I went and got this shit, because you're goofy as fuck if you're gonna take forever to get this. If you don't got a drill, get you a fucking drill, dude. What the fuck you doing? Now we're gonna go ahead and lift this sucker up. And don't judge me, I got a laundry bin. That's all I got, bro. Get off me. Well, maybe. Fuck. God damn, boy. There we go. Some bolts that we can go ahead and pull this sucker back right here, hopefully. It's got the goof. It's gone for goof. I don't know. The goo. The goo-goo. That's some glue, baby. Some glue. We're gonna go ahead and unplug this sucker right here. That's gonna be the power windows. We're gonna go ahead and take out these 3 fucking bolts. It's pretty much the only thing holding this motherfucker on, baby. Yeah, so somehow I went to go look for the 10. Didn't have a 10, but I'll tell you, somehow we got 2 fucking 8mm. Make that make sense. I don't know. So now I'm gonna go hunt down this 10. Probably take me about 5 days, I'll be back. So after hours looking for the 10, we finally found the 10, but it's not a fucking 10. So I'm thinking 12. Let's shoot at the fucking hip. You know how it goes, boys. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I was correct. It is a 12, and I recommend one of these longins. I call them deep dishes, call them whatever the fuck you want, I don't care. Anyways, we're gonna get them out. I think I'm just gonna loosen the top one just a little bit so it doesn't just fall off my truck, and then unhand tighten it and take it off. But the 2 small ones are coming out. Oh, never mind. Looks like we're having some technical fucking difficulties here. Looks like my drill's spinning the bit and not the where it's supposed to spin. Nice. Thank you, craftsman. there's one of these janks. Around here, we don't really give a shit about the foot-pounds torque, so I'm not even gonna tell you when I go to put it back on, because I don't give a shit. All right, we just gonna hand tighten it, or take it off real quick. All right, we got her out, and she's ugly. Hold on, I'll show you. All right, now look at this nasty shit. See, Big Ralph's Canadian. I wasn't kidding. Shit just fall. That's a car right there. It's just falling off. I really hope that doesn't cause any problems. Probably will, but I don't know. Just pet it. Good Ralph. Good Ralph. I don't know. I guess we'll find out if it's gonna cause any issues. I don't really know how to fix that other than Bondo. And a day of hardening. All right, so as you can see, we got the new one here. I'm just gonna keep the stuff over it while I install it. You can see it doesn't, this is apparently supposed to go over the black things. So maybe it won't cause any issues. I don't know, we're gonna try it anyways. So once you get your new mirror, you can ditch these, obviously. Don't need them, goodbye. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew this shit, and we're gonna shove them in the hole. Shove them in the hole. That's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so as you guys can see, we pretty much have got her bolted up, and the fitment, maybe I should have went with OEM. I don't know, you guys tell me. Just feel like the fitment isn't as flush. It raises concerns whether I'm gonna have some water go down in there or what, I don't know. I mean, the seal is pretty sealed overall, and I don't know if that has anything to do with the rust or anything, but you can see it just kind of doesn't lay flat right there. So I'm not sure. And then you go over to the OEM one, and it kind of looks like it lays a little bit more flat. So unless we're missing a piece, I don't know. But then again, I mean, you could raise that up, water would get in there. So maybe it's not that big of an issue. You guys that have F-150s, you let me know. But overall, I don't think it's gonna look that bad. Hopefully not. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and button her up on here, get the bolts put back in, and I might do a little bit of research real quick to see if I can fix this issue or not. One thing I didn't realize when I bought these is it's got a little light underneath here too, so whenever you're getting out, it puts light down. Little modernized thing for it, but like I said, it pairs pretty well with the new grille, and then I think we're going to end up with some surprises for the truck. But old Ralph got a little facelift. We got the tail lights put on. I ended up fixing the issue that it had going on, but overall, I think it definitely looks pretty good for the most part. And I've got some drone footage I'm gonna have to edit a little bit, but overall, I think it definitely looks good. I wanted to keep the orange reflection accents because I'm going to keep these on there, and eventually I'm going to do away with these and those. But overall, not too shabby. The truck's slowly but surely coming along. Doesn't look as good as the Red Reaper, but it'll get there eventually. I've got some parts coming in for the Harley Davidson. As far as, it's a little surprise, but as far as the fairing goes, and then we're gonna start getting to work on the GSX-R eventually too. So without further ado, you guys stay tuned. So as I was going to go inside, I went to go lock the truck, and this happened. You guys see that? I saw that. So now I'm curious if it does it when I put on the blinker. So let's test that shit out real quick, my boy. That's fucking new. Pretty badass, not gonna lie. I don't know, I guess it just, I don't know what its purpose would be, but it's pretty fucking dope. And like I said earlier, ended up getting the Big Ralph's taillight issue fixed. But overall, That's pretty cool though. I didn't even know it did that. I guess it's a little hidden Easter egg for you.